Hi everyone, welcome to SSW website Sprint Review Retro for Sprint 98 and Sprint Planning for Sprint 99. So let's get started with Sprint Review. So Sprint goal was upgrading from React 18 to React 19. This is not done yet. We are blocked on Tina CMS issue to add code block support. Until then, this PBI is parked. And it was 9 working days, attendees as listed, and I will update before sending this email. And in terms of people who worked on, totally 64.5 hours were built by myself, Aman, and Caleb. And also, Caleb has moved to Yakshaver team, and Aman has moved to Tina.io team. And so in terms of backlog, this PBI was sprint goal. And there are 2 PBIs currently blocked. And for this one, we are waiting for sysadmins to create GitHub Action bot, GitHub Action app. Sorry. And there is 4 downs. And on performance, Lighthouse report showed that performance is up from 80% to 83% for main page. And on SEMrush, site health is decreased from 73% to 72%. This is because of broken newsletter pages. There's currently PBI to address this issue, and it's in review state. And crawlability has decreased from 96 to 93 for the same reason. And internal linking has remained the same at 76%, and errors are up from 33 to 47. It's also caused by broken newsletters.
If you don't mind me asking, if you don't mind me asking, is the broken newsletter issue related to that issue we had where we were migrating the website to a different tenant and the newsletters weren't in Tina Cloud yet?
Yeah, no, broken newsletters was because of commas in file names.
Okay.
So removing commas resolved issue. Do you have any questions on that? You are muted.
Sorry, I didn't fully understand that. Matt or Christian, did you understand it? Is it important?
Well, I couldn't hear it properly because I could hear Seth throughout the whole explanation, but we've got some broken links on the newsletter pages, and they're causing the issues. But Baba's working on a fix for it.
Right.
It's kind of it's very minor stuff.
Okay.
And on Code Auditor, broken links are down from 73 to 48. So during the sprint, I have fixed some broken links on archived pages.
Okay, that's a good thing, by the way. Thank you for doing that. But I would definitely put a tick there rather than that emoji. It doesn't indicate. The words down is negative and the emoji is negative. It's a good thing that you did. Okay.
And on Google Search Console, non-index pages and index pages are about same. And there's PPI to fix this one, alternate page with proper canonical tag. So I have added proper tags on archive pages, and currently Google has started the check, and yeah, so we are waiting from Google. And on application insights, for your information, we have created new dashboard which focuses only on 500 errors. So this is a new dashboard, and for the last 7 days, it was around 10,500 errors in the logs. And I have created issue for the next sprint to investigate these errors. And most of them, app router should return 404 rather than 500 errors. So for example, with .svg and security.txt. .txt. So, do you have any questions, Adam?
No. By the way, is the Zoom, is your Zoom 130%?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Do you want me to zoom again, or if it's not visible?
It's fine.
Okay. And in terms of deployments, there was 26 deployments, and biggest non-contributor is Penny. And on retrospective, so broken links are done on code and auditor report. And Matt commented that a few PBIs left until move to SSW rules.
Sorry, I'm still thinking about who are the contributors. I can't see where they are. I know Penny's number one, but where are the other ones? You've just looked through this, have you?
Yes.
All right. So Penny's name is there. Who's number two?
I didn't.
Okay.
Non-dev?
Number two, yeah.
It's either going to be Yuli or Seth.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So on retrospective, so voting goes so well. My comments that missing the comments on PBIs, and for the improvements, there's no improvements. And also, in the last sprint, you have mentioned that you want us to move SSW rules and implement rules with Next.js and Tina CMS. So I will be talking with Brady and Jackie to send an appointment and to have a plan before moving to SSW rules. And currently, I will be working alone on SSW rules and maybe French guys. And if Aman and Caleb will finish their job on other internal projects, they can join.
Okay. So did I just hear you're going to be working on SSW rules?
Not yet, but as you know, Brady is on client work and he's only available on Thursdays. Last Thursday he wasn't available, but this Thursday I will try to catch him and have a meeting with him and Jack B.
Right, about SSW rules. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now you didn't get the React 19 done. Who could have helped you to get that done so that you were successful?
No one can at the moment.
Oh, why is that?
Well, we're not sure if we're using, we're pretty sure that we're using code blocks on the website.
Yes.
So if we introduce React 19, you won't be able to edit a page that has a code block on it.
Okay, that's not good. Would it be worth having Jack P work with Baba on this?
Baba would be helping Jack P because it's in
Right.
Tina CMS.
Oh, it's in Tina. Right. Okay. I got it. Sorry. Okay. All right. So he's kind of blocked until Tina is fixed.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
And there's some other things to move on to instead.
Okay. So he's going to work on other things until Jack tells him it's done.
Yeah. The upgrade should be a non-event. And that's what we're aiming for. So it can be upgraded when the package is ready.
Okay. All right. Good.
Happy to move on?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to sprint forecast for sprint 99. It will be 5 working days, and next meeting will be on Tuesday, 22nd of April, and attendees as listed. And here's a plan we have. So for sprint code, have a meeting with Brady and Jack P, and move on to SSW rules. Are you happy with the plan?
But I don't think you would move on to that until we've got it in React 19, right?
Probably, but I'm not sure when this code block will be supported on React 19.
Yeah, but when you speak to Jack, make sure that it's clear. If you can do anything to help him, or your priority is to get this onto React 19, I think. And have we not started this matter, or we just didn't know about the code block problem?
It was a test, like we were using it as a litmus test for the React 19 upgrade.
I got it.
So
But did
at
we
the
know
time, it was the
about
right thing to kick off, and it uncovered issues. So
right? But did
it
we
was
know
worth it.
about code blocks?
Well, we didn't until we fired up the SSW one and went through and actually tested it.
Right. Okay. So it's somehow accidentally became a bug.
Well, it was a bug which just wasn't discovered during development,
Yeah.
and we found it by running it on a real site.
Right. Is there any, say, playwright test that could have been added to the Tina team to go,
No.
hello, this isn't working? All right. You have to.
No,
test.
unfortunately, it's the way that the monorepo is set up in Tina, you can't pick this stuff up.
Right. Okay. Okay. Alrighty.
Oh yeah. So this is a backlog with estimate 21. So thanks guys for joining Sprint Summary, and the video will be uploaded on this YouTube channel, and see you next time.
Okay. Thanks, Baba. Thanks, guys.